is how to set up and use ProtonVPN on your PC. So let's get started. The first step is to install ProtonVPN. Click on this link. Over here, just click on download. Then select Windows. Click on download for Windows. And click on save to download it. So once the download is complete, you'll see this page. And here you have to sign in if you have an account, or else click on create account to create one. So now I've logged in and they've given the details of my IP address, and they've said currently it's unprotected. And this is since we haven't connected to their servers. But now if you want to connect, you can just click on this option over here. And as you can see, we've been connected to a server in the Netherlands. So now if I just go to my browser and search something, let's see if it's connected. And as you can see, all our results are for the Netherlands. So now if you want to change your server, just go back, click on change server, that's here. And now they've connected us to a server in the US. So in the free plan, you can change the server every 45 seconds, and they only have 7 server options that you can keep changing from. So this is essentially how it works. And there's one feature you should know, since it's free for free users, and that's kill switch over here. So essentially what it does is that if you get disconnected from the VPN, then it won't give your real IP to the website. It will just disconnect you and reconnect you only after you're connected to the VPN. It's basically a switch that keeps switching on and off based on your connection with the VPN. So if you enable this, then they have 2 options. Standard will automatically disconnect you from the internet if VPN connection is lost, and advanced will only give you internet access if you're connected to ProtonVPN. I'll leave it on standard and click on apply. And now it's on. So this is the setup, and this VPN will work on all apps on your PC, not just the browser. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.